Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I have not said that in a very long time, but here I am. I'm gonna share some guac with you guys. I decided to get a chicken burrito bowl tonight. I have guac on the side. I also have some cheese queso. I have some chips. I have a Sprite that I'm just about to open. I have not been here for a minute. If you're new to the channel, this is your first time seeing my face. Hi, welcome. My name is Laura, otherwise known as Munchie Momma. If you have been a subscriber and you've just been waiting patiently, thank you for being nice in the comments. And here I am. And I want to share this meal with you guys, but I also want to share more of 2025. So you can bet your butt that I will be back for more videos. Are my dogs desperately looking over the... Yes. Yes, they are. Anyways, guys, let's dig in. Did I already tell you what's in here? I don't think so. Chicken, half a scoop of black beans, rice, lettuce, onions, tomatoes, corn, salsa verde, sour cream, guac seasoning. I don't know what else. I already had a little chippy though, because their chips are like my favorite. And I like to like scoop the burrito bowl onto them. How are you guys? It is really weird for me to be filming, but not in like a bad weird way, do you know what I mean? In a weird way, because like I've been wanting to come back and do videos for a little while. I'm just mixing this up a little bit. It's so good, guys. If you've not had guac, you gotta try it. Yeah, I just haven't filmed in such a long time. It's nothing against you guys. It just feels weird, you know? Mentally, I think I needed to prepare to come back. I think I'm okay. I think I'm like a little bit, I'm prepared enough to be here, you know? For those of you that know, I have two dogs, Arnold and Ellie. Ellie is sitting on the couch right now, peeking her head over, and Arnold is over there somewhere whining. I do like to talk a lot, so for those of you that don't like love that, I might not be the channel for you. Sometimes I don't talk a lot, other times I don't shut up. So just as like a friendly warning, if there's anything, also if there's anything you guys want to see me eat this year, let me know. What a little butt nugget. Anyways, how are you guys? What's new? How's life? Are you eating dinner with me? What are you eating? So we do one corner with queso, one with guac. You know, I splurged and got the guac. It's for you guys. I usually will pick between the two, which one I'm gonna get. But let's be honest though, if I get the queso, I'm putting guac in my bowl. I also have new glasses, new little spectacles. I did not have to work today. I have been cleaning my basement. I've been trying to clean the basement forever, but cleaning the basement, just organizing some stuff. I'm rehoming stuff in reality, like stuff that needs like a new tote. There's also just stuff that just like doesn't need to be down there, or it can be like put into a tote like with other things. So that's been my day. Pretty exciting. Usual occurrence. So not a lot has been going on since, well, you know what? Actually, that's bullshit. So many things have happened since I've seen you guys last. Oh yeah. Excuse me. I don't really know what to talk to you guys about. There's so much. I'm still working at the same place. And yeah. Like really, there's not, I feel like there's like not a lot going on, but there's so much going on. My niece had a baby. I spent a long time with her when she was pregnant. Oh my God, I spend a lot of time there now with the baby. Like my mom lives there too, as well as my sister also lives there. So in reality, when I'm there, I'm hanging out with everyone, you know? Wish there was more sour cream, and I don't have. For those of you that know that if you know, you know, you know. So much sour cream. Sour cream is life. What's everybody doing in 2025? Have you set goals? I know everybody's probably exhausted of talking about New Year's resolutions. I'm like a little bit late, but like, I don't even want to say resolutions. Are there changes that you just like want to make in 2025? I definitely have a list of things because I turn a certain age in March. Here's the thing. It's not that I'm like sad or that I like don't want to like celebrate my birthday or whatever it is. It's just like, it's just such a milestone. Birthdays is like, especially when you're hitting like, okay, I'm turning 40. Okay, I'm turning 40. There's nothing wrong with being 40. There's nothing wrong with being over 40. I will say that I'm only 40. You know what I mean? But 40 is like a milestone. You know what I mean? Oh, gosh. The stress. The anxiety. But I think I'm gonna like throw myself a huge party. I don't think that there would necessarily be anyone that would want to plan a party. Scott definitely would probably like not throw a party, and if he did, it would be like, oh, I told some people. Excuse me. He'd be like, I told some people to come over later, like the morning of or something. But I'm like thinking I want a full-on celebration. Like go big or go home, you know? There's a couple people that, a couple of my coworkers may be watching this. Yeah, you're invited, duh. You know what I mean? I don't know what they're doing. It's so good. Thoroughly being enjoyed, you know? Oh. I'm gonna be honest though and say that in my heart and in my head, it did not feel like it's been that long since I posted. I'm gonna be honest, you know? It feels like, I don't know, I know it's been a while. I don't even know right at this second how long it's been. I just know it's been a minute, but it doesn't feel like it's been that long. So, time has just slipped away the last couple years. I'm eager. I'm eager to hang out with you guys. I'm not in my usual spot either. If you guys are, I'll just be like wherever. I don't have a spot anymore that I film. Jacob is currently using that room. Jacob is my son. He is 17. He's currently using that room for sewing. He took over my room. I did take my like lights and my like tripod and stuff down because I knew that I wasn't going to be using it for a little while. And as of recently, yeah, he's become just like this huge sewer. I got him a new sewing machine for Christmas and everything. So honestly, he can take over the room for sewing. Once Phoebe moves back out again, be able to move my bedroom back upstairs because I had moved it so that she could move back in. Anyway, so then the basement will become like a basement again and he can sew down there and then I can have my room back. My little hideaway office area. Okay, but are you choosing queso or are you choosing guac? Like, right now, what are you choosing? Oh, Chip broke in the guac. It's really thick and there's some stringies in it. Not enjoying that. Not enjoying that at all. Chaos over here. I forget if I was saying this earlier, but yeah, so anyways, I'm cleaning up my basement. It is like literally, well, I mean, it's destroyed down there right now. But like, I just need to make room. I need space. I need like less clutter. And I know that a lot of people do this at the beginning of the year. But like, I do. I just need less clutter. Because like, I think I just wiped food up my nose. Yeah, I don't know. I just do. I just want less clutter. I just don't think that we need like I don't know. It's organization, I think, just in my head. I just want space. It's like the basement is like one of those places. It's like, oh, I mean, the front basement is fine. It's the back basement that I'm talking about. Like our laundry room, like the storage area. Oh, excuse me. Arnold is trying to boop. Can you see his shadow through the fence? What a wiener. What a little wiener guy. Bye. Food is like literally just attracted to my clothing. I just rubbed it in and made it worse. Go away. Okay. There's so many things I guess I could talk about. I just don't know what to talk about, you know? So the food's really good. The queso is good, but it could definitely be like a little less spicy. And by less spicy, I just mean like, I mean, obviously I mean less spicy, but like, it almost just like takes away, it's just too hot. I don't know what it is. It's just too hot. It's not like super unpleasant because I'm still obviously eating it, but like a little less so that there was more cheese flavor, if that makes sense. If you're looking around my channel, videos are gonna look a little bit weird. I'm like not deleting, but I'm like privating some older videos because like I just don't need old videos online anymore. I don't know. I'm looking at myself like, okay. Yeah. I'm just shuffling, making it just like so it's fresh and new, you know? So good, guys. I'm just so excited to eat. There's not enough pop in there. You know, like those videos, it's like, hello, darkness, my old friend. You could like zoom in to Arnold's face and he's just staring because he just wants. He's like, Mom, if you could just give me a chip, everything would be okay in my life. If it also had chicken on it, that would be cool. Right, big guy? Yeah, he's not having any of it. I don't know where she is. Oh, my doggies. Also the dogs are probably like, who are you talking to? You know? Myself, obviously, gosh. My super cool friends. My super cool online friends. These glasses are new. They need to be tightened. I know. For those of you, if me pushing them up is annoying. I know. There is not anything you could say to me that I don't already know about me. You know what I mean? I am you know? I am in tune with myself was the smartassery that I was trying to come up with, but I fart nuggeted it up and then it's like, oh, okay, well, dumbass. Now you just look like a dumbass. I'm not gonna be mad. I know that some people are like, leftover guac? What's leftover guac? But like there's more chips, so I might like save these. Not save them, but like if there's leftover, I'm okay with that. You know? What mukbang channels are we watching nowadays, guys? What are you guys watching lately? Are you guys on TikTok? I don't know if I could do this on TikTok. Mostly because I just like don't know how to like, I don't know. I just don't think I can. Excuse me. Anyways. So anyways, I turned 40 this year and I really just want to get my life organized and I'm feeling a certain kind of way and I'm doing certain things and I'm okay with all of the things that I'm doing. I'm okay with all of the things that are happening in my life and I want things to be a certain way and I want to be a certain kind of person and do certain things. And I'm doing that. So, cheers to 2025. And getting our shit together. Well, at least attempting to, you know. I'm recognizing that I need to get my shit together. There we go. I don't know really what that... I mean, I know what that means for some things, but we'll see as the year goes on what kind of shit I can get together. Do a little dance. You know what I want to figure out in 2025? What this is. I mean, I'm not dumb. I know it's a double chin. But there's like a dip right here. And no matter... I've already said this before, I swear. Oh, there's more food on my sweater. Oh my God, guys. Whether I'm skinny or fat, this thing, there's just always been a dip there. It's really not important. Someone texted me. Oh, yay. They're doing a thing at work for me. Yay. Well, they're not doing a thing for me. They're doing things at work that benefit me tomorrow. Yay. TV, guys. I've said this a million times before, but what TV are we watching? What TV are you watching? What TV should I be watching? Just started watching South Park. I mean, by just, I mean, like, I've watched, like, 4 seasons in, like, the last, like, week. Because that's what you get when you get with, when you're, I can't even finish my sentence. That's what you get with commitment from me. I'm all in. Is maybe the sort of sentence I was trying to say. But I've like watched the recent season of South Park, and then I went back and I watched like season like 23, 24, and 25. I was like, oh, that should last me. No. So then I went back further. So I started at season, like 18. I know that's like not how you're supposed to watch series. You're supposed to watch it from the beginning, but that show is so old that I feel like half of the relevancy, yes, would be funny, and I would understand it. But I'm looking for like something like that's a little bit more relevant, a little bit more like from this era. Yaddy-dee. What do you guys do when you're eating? Are you watching something? Are you talking to people? Are you on the phone? Complete silence. What I have to do tonight, well, I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna go clean up, like, not clean up the basement. It's gonna take forever to do that, but I'm gonna order. So one thing about me is that my brain is always working a little bit faster than my mouth is. Considering how much I talk, I don't think that should be the issue, but it is. Sometimes when I would go to say something really quickly, it doesn't come out the way that I want it to. So apologies for being who I am. I need to clean up my room enough so I can sleep down there. Which is fine. But, huh. Munchie Mama in the house. Whoop, whoop. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God, Becky. Oh. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I got food in my tummy. The baby is so cute, guys. I'll have to post a picture on my Instagram because I don't think that I have yet. She's born in November and I love her and I call her Marvin. People are like, you call her Marv? And I'm like, yeah, she's my little Marv. My little Marvin. They're like, why do you call her that? I'm like, I don't know. It was the first name that came to my head when I saw her. Call her by her name? No. That's not what Auntie is here for, you know? I'm here to give her a cute little name like Marvin. My little Marvarino. Oh God, guys, she's so freaking cute. Mm. Little beaner. I'm a proud auntie of all my nieces and nephews. But when the babies, I don't want any more babies. Not for myself anyways. Have a baby, I'll hold it, you know? And then I'll give it back. Babies love me. And you will too. If you subscribe to my channel and come back and watch more videos. The accent, they happen sometimes. I can't even help it. All right, if that's okay with you. Because I'm going to go now. Guys, I also cut, for those of you that, okay, here's the thing is that I've been gone, right? And I was gone because of like a diagnosis of ADHD. I had to get my life sorted out. And then I also had like a couple little mentee bees. Cut my hair all by myself. Doesn't look bad, but it's shorter. If you've been here for years, it like literally touched my bum. Now it does. It's in a pony though, guys. This isn't the length of it. I still look like a gremlin. Okay. I'm really excited to be back with you guys, and I'm sorry this video was so long. Some of you guys are not even gonna have made it to here, but if you have made it to here, give me whatever emoji in the comments that you want to. You know? I'm satisfied. I thoroughly enjoyed this, and I'm gonna go relax. And there's chips left there, and there's also a whole other bag of chips. So needless to say, I'm gonna be snacking later after I go outside and do some extracurricular activities with all these chips in my teeth. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'm just like excited. I don't know when I'm going to be posting and all that other stuff, but you know, like you'll see me when you see me, and you'll see me a lot more than you did in 2024. I can promise you that much. I'm like a little peppy Pepperson now that I'm have food. Like, oh yeah, feel good. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good night, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.